Giagwit. Good morning from Tramore, or as it translates from Irish, the big beach in County Donegal. I'm on the shoreline at Tramore near Carrygart. I was here 2 days ago, and while I took an image, it wasn't really what I wanted. So I'm back here after a day of rain that was basically knocking on the door. Unbelievable rain. I've got to get the camera set up, and I'm hoping that the sun rises just before the clouds that are gathering overhead block out that sunlight for the day. Forecast for rain and overcast conditions today. And if that sun gets up, I'm hoping illuminates Muckish with a shroud of clouds that are sitting on top of it, and hopefully I get an image. Either way, absolutely beautiful to be out. Very, very mild. What better way to spend 6:10 in the morning? The sun is getting up behind me here, and I got some gorgeous light just starting to hit the clouds behind me. The moon is sitting in a hole in those clouds. Muckish is just absolutely shrouded in clouds. Absolutely beautiful. Just a few more minutes and we might get some magic here. Fingers crossed. As you can see, the light is absolutely stunning right now. Just a pocket of golden light lighting up Muckish. Got the moon for company. Absolutely stunning. Woohoo! Oh, I love it. Might take another panoramic here. Right, let's get this set up properly. Absolutely gorgeous light. Right, here we go. One. Good. Just take another panoramic here. And the sun is getting up, illuminating the fringes of those grasses at the side there. Really, really lifting the entire scene. This is absolutely beautiful. Right, beautiful. So as you can see, as the sun's getting up, it's just starting to lick the foreground grass in front of me here. And I am making a couple of exposures to maximize that light. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So I've got my composition set up here. What I'm doing is making use of the light that is rolling across the foreground grass in front of me. I've got that layer of water separating the grasses from the distant Muckish mountain. The light is absolutely stunning. Like, this is nature working its magic. All I have to do really is press the shutter. Setup wise, nothing fancy here. F11, 1/8 of a second, manual mode. Got the 70-200mm lens on, and the great thing about that is its reach is taking my shadow out of the foreground grasses, so there's no images being ruined by my shadow. Absolutely magnificent. It's just getting better and better. Oh, look at that light! Oh, that is gorgeous. Lovely shadows. The light is gorgeous. Get lovely shadows in the foreground grasses now. Oh, let me just tilt that down a little bit. Oh, what contrast, shadow and light. And as usual, battery is gone. Light does not get better than this. Look at that. Oh God. It's like a painting. Absolutely like a painting. So that's it, folks. The light is gone now. Rain is forecast. I'm so glad I got to bed at 4:30 this morning. The light was absolutely stunning. Probably the best light I've had all year. And hopefully the images that I've taken are as good as the light, but spectacular. As I said, so glad I got to bed at 4:30. But right now, it's back for coffee and some breakfast. Talk to you again soon.